If initial compression is given as a 2 meters, find the work done by the force if the final compression is given as 5 meters. So x1 is 2, x1 is 2, x2 is 5. 5 or 7? 5 only, remember. See the data, so we should be very careful. They given final compression is given. Yes, they given further, they mention. If they given further 5 means 7 will come. Further 5 meters if they given. It is compressed further 5 meters means already 2 is happened, further 5 total. The terminology is very important. So that yes, simplify. So here x1 value how much now? 2 meters. And x2 value how much? So which is given as a 5 meters. Now, so that means now u1, how much the u1 is now here? 1 by 2, this is k into x1 square. Yeah, they given the k value given, we can substitute now here. So 1000 into x1 square is what element of 4, which will come to be a 2000 now. Next, final potential energy, that is 1 by 2 k x2 square, which is equal to 1 by 2 k value 1000 and x2 means what element of x2 square 25 will come to be how much now? This is 5, 125. 125 double zeros na? Yes, that is 12,500. Now work done. So work done is equal to what element now? Change in potential energy, that is minus of U2 minus U1. So this will come to be a what element now? Minus of U2 value 12,400 minus 2000. So that is work done will come minus of what element now? 10500. Right.